Hey everyone, how's it going? I want to show you guys the new towels that TLC has gotten. So they got these now. They're 16 by 16. It's a heavier towel. It's 400 GSM now. They're going to come in, every kit will come with a blue one and a black one. So whatever you're buying, you'll get equal numbers of both. Reason for that is you can use one for applying TLC and one for buffing off. Then you don't really forget which one is which while you're applying and that kind of thing. They also have, each towel has a single pile and a double pile on each side. Single is great for doing glass and very, very slick and smooth surfaces, where the deeper pile, the double here, is much better for doing the paint and that kind of thing. Will even work well on rough plastics because it'll actually get into the crevice of the plastic and pull it out with the deep pile here. So like I said, both of them come like that. Blue one's got a short and a long. So they're really, really nice, very, very plush. You can wash these ones up to 500 times, and when you wash them, just wash them in your washing machine with scent-free and dye-free clear soap, basically. Best way to do it. Then you don't have anything left in there that when you're doing your paint work, especially if you did a paint correction, you certainly want any dyes or anything left in there while you're applying TLC. So quickly, I'll just show you how to do it. I'm sure most of you are pretty familiar. Here's the last coat. So we're going to use the blue one here as applying. So you just spray it on. And when doing a dusty car, I like to first do lateral and vertical motions to remove the dirt. I don't like to do swirling motions. I just like to be able to pick it up and get it off of the surface. So you can see how much dirt I actually pulled off of there. So I'm going to flip to the clean side. We're going to give one more quick wipe before we use the black one to do a final buff. Then you're going to take your black. And just buff it to a high gloss finish. Personally, I like the black for doing the final buff because you can use this more on a cleaner surface. It's black, so you're not going to be able to see a lot of the debris in it, where the blue one here is going to actually show you how dirty the towel is. So I would recommend using this one first and then doing your final buff with the black towel. So I hope that explains it for you. I'm extremely stoked for these. These are definitely much better than the original one, and the original towel was great too, but these are definitely great. So can't wait to continue using these. They've done wonders for me and my business. So hope they do wonders for you all. Have a great day.